would I rate this 1 out of 10?
Guys, I fry all my food outside. Stand up like this. This means that you have enough water.
That's okay. If it tastes like I'll let you know.
Hey everyone, welcome back to O&L Family Vlog. And guys, today we are in Livy's Cocina, which means Livy's Kitchen. Okay guys, and guys, today I just wanted to come and bring you something part of my culture. Our traditional rice, our native rice, and it's called seasoned rice, Crucian rice. Okay guys, and I just want to big up everybody in St. Croix, St. Thomas, St. John, Tola. I want to big up all my VI people them. Okay guys, so today, like I said, I am going to be showing y'all how to make our Crucian seasoned rice, okay? And let me tell you something about this rice. You see this rice here? You are not going to need any gravy with this rice. You can just sit down and eat this rice by itself, okay? Because the way how you make this rice, like, it will be so flavorful, it will be so moist, it's not gonna be dry. You will see. To prepare this rice, I'm gonna let you know everything that you are going to need, okay? So here I have my sofrito, and I guess you could call this, I'm not sure, I guess, yeah, other islands call it green seasoning, but we call it sofrito. So this is what I'm gonna need. Tomato sauce. This is optional. I don't always cook it with tomato sauce. It's just optional if you want to. Here I have my sazon and adobo, and in every Crucian house, okay, and Hispanic house, you're gonna have sazon and adobo, okay, and also pigeon peas. I use the green one. You could use the dry if you want. I just prefer the green one. And the dried pigeon peas, as you know, is already brown. And here we have hamon. Well, we have pack of ham flavoring. So with this, you can also like cut up ham, and when you're cooking it, put it in your oil before you put the rice, and that gives it a good flavor. But Wandan don't eat pork or whatever, so that's why I'm gonna substitute for this. He's okay with this. And we have rice, okay? You can use whatever brown rice you want, but usually in the VI in St. Croix, we don't use parboiled long grain rice to make this rice. We use celo rojo, or you could use this, and medium grain rice or short grain rice. Like I said, if you want, you could use the long grain, but I don't use long grain to make this type of rice here, or jasmine, or none of that. This medium grain or short. Also oil, okay? And guys, we also have a special ingredient here, okay, that I use, and I'm gonna show you guys when I'm cooking it, when do I put it in. I also have some of it blend up here in the sofrito. And guys, I just made this sofrito. And guys, this leaf here, this is called culantro, okay? This is optional, but it's like, this gives the rice a different flavor. When I tell you it kick it up a notch, this right here, get it if you're gonna make the rice. Like, it just smells like, it smells so strong, and it just smells like, it smells good, okay guys? So please, if you can, when you're making this rice, get this. So what I did is I just finished washing my rice, and I washed that off camera because I don't want the videos to be long and boring or whatever. So yeah guys, so I just put my pot on the stove, and I just turned on the stove or whatever, making it get a little hot. So guys, first things first, we're gonna put the oil inside of there. And not a lot of oil, just enough. Not like you're going to fry chicken or nothing like that. And we're not frying chicken. just to cook the sofrito and stuff and stew the beans and all of that, because that's what we're gonna do first. So yeah guys, so the oil is in the pot, and don't worry, I'm gonna show you guys how the pot look inside as well. So I'm just gonna let that get a little hot. So guys, now my pot is hot to my liking. So I'm gonna put in my sofrito. You can put as much as you want, whatever. Just gonna put in that. And you're just gonna let that cook down. You're gonna let it fry and cook. Whatever. So hey guys, so I'm gonna let this cook for like a good like 3 minutes. So guys, my sofrito is cooking and frying up or whatever. I'm gonna stir it. And I also have 2 spoons because I don't like to scrape the pan, but whatever. And guys, right now I'm gonna put in some of my tomato sauce. I'm not gonna put a lot, just a little bit. That is good enough. So anyways guys, how are y'all doing today? I hope you're having a great day, okay guys? What did you guys eat for lunch today? I would like to know. So anyways guys, I'm gonna let this cook for another like 2 minutes or so, and then we're gonna add our sazon and the ham seasoning. So here I'm adding the ham seasoning. And it depends how dark you want your rice, is how much sazon you're gonna add. This is the ham seasoning now. Just gonna stir that a little bit low. And let that cook. So guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of adobo right now. Just a little bit. And now I am going to add my pigeon peas. And guys, I drain the water. It's optional if you want to put the water. It's just my preference. I don't like to put the water in there, so I don't. So now I'm just gonna mix that up. I'll let that cook for about 5 minutes, and I'm also gonna cover it. So guys, this is how it's looking right in my pot. Like I said, I have oil, I have the sofrito, I have tomato sauce, I have sazon, I have the ham flavoring, the ham seasoning, I have adobo, the sofrito, and also the pigeon peas. So right now, like I said, I'm gonna let that cook for like a good 5 minutes, and then I am going to put the rice. I low it down just to video this because it was bubbling too high. I didn't want it to splash on the camera. So yeah guys, and then I'm gonna show you when I am going to add those pieces of cilantro. So right now guys, I'm going to add some water to the pot. If you want, you could add the rice first and stir up the rice in it first before you add the water, but I'm just gonna add the water first. I do it either or, it doesn't matter. So I add the water. And guys, with this kind of rice, you don't need a lot of water or whatever. Usually you let the steam cook it. That's how I see it. But I'm gonna show you how I know if you have enough water. I usually don't do it. I just could do it by eye, but I'm gonna show you guys a trick to know if you have enough water or you're gonna need more water. And also guys, if you notice, I have not put any salt. I don't cook with salt period, but with this you don't need any salt because the seasonings already have enough sodium in them already. Now I am going to be adding my rice. And my rice is already washed, like I said. And I'm gonna show you guys what the pot is looking like. So guys, remember the trick I tell you about when cooking this type of rice, how you know if you have enough water and everything is good? You're just gonna take your spoon and put it like this. And if it stand up like this, this means that you have enough water and it's good. Okay guys? And also I'm gonna show you how it's looking right now. So guys, before I cover the pot, I'm gonna add the pieces of cilantro. And like I said, this is just gonna take the flavor up a notch, like on 10. I'm just gonna place it like this in my pot. This is what it looks like so far, and I am about to cover it for 20 minutes. So yeah guys, so while my rice is cooking for 20 minutes, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start frying my chicken because that's what I am cooking it with. And guys, I fry all my food outside. I've been doing this for years. I've been doing this for over 8 years. Even when I have my little apartment, I will take my deep fryer and I will put it in front of the door outside and I will fry food. Because I just cannot stand the smell of the fried food lingering in the house. It gives me a headache. So yeah guys, so I'm about to start the fried chicken and I'll be back. "20 minutes have gone and it's time for me to stir this pot. So I'm gonna remove this. Put it over here. And now I'm just about to stir my pot. Start from the middle up. Guys, if y'all could just smell, okay, if y'all could just smell in this house, like this rice do not smell like you cooking rice. It smell like you're making stewed chicken or oxtail or something. That's how flavorful this is. I'm just gonna use a little foil paper and cover this. And just cook it for the next 10 minutes and it should be done. So guys, I am all done and I'm about to give you guys a taste test, and you're gonna see one done and Mama Laura also give you guys a taste test. So let's dive in. It's hot. Oh my god, this is so good. And I'm not just saying it because I make it. It's really good. So much flavor for just rice. And see, you do not need any gravy for this, none at all.
Okay guys, so my baby cook, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, okay? If it tastes like shh, I'll let you know. And if it tastes like, I'll let you know, okay? So mommy, you ready?
Yeah, the food looks so beautiful.
You like how I look?
What it tastes nice like how I look.
Anybody who watch that video, you know say one and always have something to say. Remember the first time, one of the first time Libby cooked for me? I'll tell them the story.
Oh, that.
The first time, one of the first time when Libby cooked for me, guys, Libby doesn't put your food on the plate. Just dash it on it. I said, look here. Unnecessary work. She said, what are you talking about? Mr.
This
President
chicken
taste.
them nice, well fried. Y'all talk me I eat.
Don't tell them that. You need
Guys,
to
me
get
tell Livy say you need for presentation is have a lot to do with all the food taste. Okay? Me notice a lot of Jamaican don't know about presentation, especially all the folks them. You see me? But yes, so presentation, even if the food not taste good, it all tastes good. Learn from one then.
Don't say that because now they're going to think because present. But anyways, guys, the review is mostly about the Crucian seasoned rice. So let's see how the Jamaicans feel about it, even though he eat it before.
You don't have to ask, because mommy don't eat it.
So let's go eat the rice.
Agungu rice.
Yeah, it's
Seasoned
seasoned rice, Crucian rice.
Agungu.
Or arroz, can't do it.
I'm not going to go in there. What kind
No,
of peas?
that's, we call it pigeon peas. Well, it's pigeon peas, you call it bongo, right? That's pigeon peas.
A bongo you?
It's pigeon peas, I guess that's what you call it.
Me eat it already, guys. Living nailed it. One thing I can tell about Livy fried chicken. One thing I can tell you
Yeah, so real.
about Livy fried chicken. Me just have to tell them about Livy. Rice tastes good, guys.
No gravy, I tell you.
No
that rice
gravy.
don't need no gravy.
The rice, yeah, it's like, you know, no gravy. It's full of seasoning, but it's not over seasoned. It's gummy. And it's a special rice. I don't know if Livy mentioned it in our video. But me can tell you something, guys. You see Livy fried chicken,
And the best. But I'm KFC.
enough over fried. I don't know how to do it. Livy know when she fry chicken, guys, she have to fry extra. Because 2 o'clock in the morning, we wake up and warm. Livy know now. So mommy are going with. Mommy barely has said stuff and mommy out there going with everything. But 10 out of 10. Livy knows if she have everything. And Livy knows some love me. Pear, aka avocado.
If you like the video, just hit a like below. And if you guys decide to try my seasoned rice, just let me know how it tastes. Okay, thank you guys for watching.
All them want to know how it tastes.
They're gonna comment down below if they try it.
9
Oh,
and
okay.
3
Because
quarter.
I show
9
them
and 3 quarter out of 10. It you want little spicier. Only that is the problem.
We're in the rice.
So you know get pepper put on if you want spice. So everybody, kids them all eat it, we can't cook it spicy. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's only little spice. I'm going to
Food is
spice it.
amazing. Presentation is over the roof. Avocado is good. Gonna try the coleslaw.
Coleslaw, but
Coleslaw bubbles.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching. 10 out of 10.
If I would have rated this 1 out of 10, it'd have been 100.
Really? Oh, thank you.